The classic Pasta Maker Deluxe by CucinaPro makes creating delicious homemade pasta easier than ever. This deluxe set includes 3 attachments that make 5 authentic pastas: spaghetti, fettuccine, ravioli, angel hair, and lasagnette. This all-in-one set is your one-stop shop for authentic homemade pasta at an unbeatable price. Using your pasta maker is simple. Take your fresh homemade pasta dough, place it in the pasta maker and turn the hand crank. Turn the adjustment knob and pass the pasta through the pasta maker until the pasta is at the desired thickness. Next, attach the desired pasta attachment, move the hand crank over and pass the pasta through. You can use your own recipes or choose one from the included recipe guide. This deluxe pasta maker and its 3 attachments has everything you need to make 5 different types of delicious homemade pasta. And you can't beat the price. The classic Pasta Maker Deluxe by CucinaPro. Cook to inspire.
Are you looking for the best pasta maker? In this video, we will look at some of the top pasta makers on the market. Starting at number 1, we have the Philips Compact Pasta and Noodle Maker. The dimensions are approximately 13 by 15.5 by 11.9 inches with a weight of 10.36 pounds. The Philips Compact Pasta Maker mixes, kneads, and extrudes 2 to 3 servings of fresh pasta in just 18 minutes and guarantees great texture and taste. It has a uniquely designed stirring bar that ensures the flour and liquid are mixed evenly and thoroughly from every corner in the mixing chamber. There are 3 default classic shaping discs for spaghetti, penne, and fettuccine, so you can just add ingredients and the pasta maker automatically does the rest. By using different types of flour and a selection of ingredients like egg, herbs, or spinach, you can make various interesting types and flavors of pasta. This pasta maker has a really good compact space-saving design, so you can keep it out on the counter for everyday use or store in the cabinet without occupying a lot of space. With the detachable components, the Philips Compact Pasta Maker is very easy to set up and to dismantle for cleaning, making it a great choice for making pasta at home. At number 2, we have the Marcado Design Atlas Pasta Machine. The dimensions are approximately 8 by 8 by 7 inches and it's 5.41 pounds in weight. Made in Italy from chrome-plated steel, Marcado's Atlas pasta machine rolls out and cuts pasta dough for making traditional Italian pasta at home. The easy-to-use handle allows for simple processing of the dough as it is able to roll sheets up to 150 millimeters wide and has 10 choices of thickness from a paper-thin 0.6 millimeters to 4.8 millimeters. Easily make lasagna, fettuccine, and tagliolini with the rough surface of the rollers, resulting in porous pasta that absorbs more of the sauce. Although the Atlas pasta maker is not dishwasher safe, it easily wipes clean with a dry brush or cloth after each use. The Atlas pasta machine is also equipped to attach a pasta drive motor or any of 12 pasta cutting accessories that are sold separately. At number 3, we have the Isiler Roller Pasta Maker. Dimensions are approximately 7.9 by 6.1 by 7.7 inches with a weight of 4.45 pounds. Whether you're making spaghetti or any other pasta, when it is freshly made, it really tastes great. The Isiler Roller Pasta Maker is a reliable and efficient pasta machine that has 9 adjustable thickness settings from 0.3 millimeters to 2.6 millimeters. You can select the preferred thickness and width of your pasta to create a consistency and texture for your perfect dish. Whether it's spaghetti, fettuccine, lasagna, dumpling skins, or other pasta, the Isiler Roller Pasta Maker caters to all your pasta making needs. Its pasta rollers and cutter are made of a high-quality, non-toxic aluminum alloy, guaranteeing its safety and durability, and with a sturdy table clamp, it will not move around when in use. Made with a separated structure, the machine is easy to clean and store, and its pasta rollers and pasta cutter are also washable. At number 4, we have the Imperial Pasta Maker Machine. The dimensions are approximately 8.05 by 7.2 by 6.2 inches with a weight of 7.59 pounds. The Imperial Pasta Maker is made of heavy-duty chromed-plated steel and has a 6-inch wide roller with double cutter head. Made in Italy, this traditional pasta roller has an easy lock adjustment dial with wood grip handle so you can make delicious fresh pasta easily at home. Included with the machine is a double cutter for thin spaghetti and wide fettuccine noodles, but there are also additional attachments for a variety of pasta shapes available separately. At number 5, we have the Gourd stainless steel pasta maker. The dimensions are approximately 6.4 by 8.2 by 8.4 inches with a weight of 6.12 pounds. The Gourd manual pasta maker is made from built-to-last stainless steel. With 3 blade attachments, you can easily create different types of pasta noodles, and you can choose from 9 different thickness settings for the perfect dough. The easy crank handle is simple to use and can be removed for storage. We think this manual pasta maker is really good value and great for home-cooked pasta. So that sums up the top pasta makers. We hope you enjoyed.
The Kitchenaid pasta roller and cutter set. The set features the Kitchenaid pasta roller and our popular fettuccine and spaghetti cutter attachments. Use the pasta roller to knead and flatten perfectly formed pasta sheets. Then use the cutter attachments to cut them into noodles. The pasta roller and cutter set from Kitchenaid. It turns every time you cook into an opportunity to create. Another reason to love your Kitchenaid stand mixer.